Campbell's Freedom Farm with Stefan and Taylor.
Hi.
And guess what we're gonna do? Stefan's gonna cook.
He's gonna cook later, but we have something more interesting.
We have one more deck to pass inspection. It's only gonna be a 6x6, and I'll show you the area. So, but everybody's not so excited.
We are not deck people, but I have to say, we built a really sturdy deck. I mean, you could jump on this thing, anything. I think we did better than some of the professionals.
Yeah. So it'll be good. Actually, I'm kind of excited.
See, it's strong.
It's actually really exciting because I'll show you where it is. It's on the back porch with the best view of the farm. It's like one of my favorite. So it'll be big enough to do a couple chairs, and I could put a couple herbs out there, and for our cooking shows, Taylor's cooking show. And
Stefan's, you could drink tea and coffee in the morning and evening.
Oh yeah, or have beer. But anyway, so when I went to Lowe's, you know I have to look at the clearance, so I have pink Angelina, so for $1, and also blue marvel salvia. And the salvia will re-bloom more. It's still blooming. So what I'm going to do is just trim up everything. And they're both perennials. So make sure you check your Lowe's for clearance plants as regular plants too. They have a whole new shipment, I noticed. And they look great. And also, I wanted to say thanks for Chris.
And
Ernie. He loves the name Ernie. For everything. So he's going to do a cooking show on Taylor's Cooking with Taylor channel. But we really appreciate the loaders too, because we went somewhere else to get our posts, because as you know, lumber there's a shortage. Like, it was everything I could do just to get these. They were really sweet. They grabbed them for me really quick, and I just kept taking trips. So I took Taylor's car, thought it would fit these posts. I'm driving home, and I noticed when he closed the trunk, everything kind of shifted. We need a new windshield. The whole windshield is cracked where it hit. So
what whole windshield?
oh yeah, he doesn't know. So anyway, at Lowe's, they are just really careful. They're really sweet. They do a great job. I give the best recommendations. You know, I always go to Lowe's, and but other hardware stores are great too. But you know what the service you're going to get at Lowe's, so which is great. But we can't wait to start this deck.
Actually, we can't wait to be finished with it. I might disappear for a month.
Hey, Stefan and I have it covered. He built all the stairs, and he helped do the other stuff. He's actually pretty good. He's good with measuring. So, and what are you going to cook for in honor of Chris and Ernie? Do you know yet?
Hey!
Oh no, we're on a diet. Okay, we don't know yet. So we'll let you know. So watch later this weekend for the show. Have a great day.
Okay.
Remember, keep your pets indoors when it gets too hot.
And the cake. Make a cake when you're happy.
We have been baking way too much. I swear I'm putting on a weight. Okay, say bye.
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 Please subscribe, like, and share.
And eat your cake every day.
No, don't eat cake every day. Eat your vegetables.
Only eat your cake. Thanks.
Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you where the deck was going. We already have our piers poured. And so this is the best view. This is $1 million view. It's just really beautiful. I wish everybody could really see it because this doesn't show justice. But we really wanted a 20 by 20, but that's not in our budget. And that's probably more than we could build. But So we're gonna just do a little one so we can at least just have a little something to drink, or you know, coffee or tea or whatever, and or a snack, as Stefan says, piece of cake. And then later on, if the money comes, then we'll do a bigger one, or you could do a double deck, I guess, lower. But okay, have a great day, stay cool, bye. Okay, can you see the crack? It's a whole new windshield. It's like $300.